everyone, welcome back to IntelliSkills. Today we are going to see how to read website content using scanner class. Let us directly start with our coding. So we are going to write our code in a class called read website content. Okay, so let us create it. Now we are going to create our main method. So generally we know that how to read data from the how to read input from the console using the scanner class, but we generally do not know how to read the website content. So in this video we are going to see to how to do it. So we are going to write our code in a try catch finally block. Let us create it. So here we have written our code, but do not worry about this one. Okay, you'll get a error like this on writing IO exception E, but when you will write the code in the try block, this thing will automatically disappear, this red color line. So this error will be not there anymore. Okay, so let us write our code in the try block. In the try block we'll write the whole logic. Okay, and this catch block will be used to handle the exceptions. Okay, IO exceptions, that means input output exceptions. Okay, and the finally block will be used to close the object of the scanner class. All right. So always make sure to write comments like this when you're writing your code. Okay, because comments will enhance the look of your code. Number one, you can understand the code even after, if you open it after 3 to 4 months also, you'll understand your code. This is the facility of the comments. So make sure to write comments like me. Okay, now let us start writing again. So we are going to read the data from this particular website, example.com. Okay, so let us check what is there in this website. What are we going to read? So you can see this is the content that we are going to read using the scanner class. So in this particular program we have taken this website. Okay, but for your convenience you can use any website, alright, to read it. Okay, but for this program we are using it. So over here you have this URL class, and it is imported from java.net URL package. Okay, so we have created a URL object for this website. Okay, example.com. Over here we have got this input stream from the URL class using the open stream method. Over here if you press Ctrl on your keyboard and click on open stream, you can see it has input stream. Right, it has input stream. Now we'll use this input stream to get our website content. Okay, now let us proceed with our coding. Here we have used this input stream to create our scanner class. Previously we used to use this system.in to read data from the console, but now we have used input stream. Now we'll continue with our coding again. Over here using this particular line we are going to iterate through all the lines of the website content till it reaches the last or finishing line. Okay, and then we are going to print it using this particular line in our console. We have almost finished our code. Now we are going to close our scanner class. So if you remember, as I said before, we are going to close our scanner class in the finally block. let us do it. Let us move it from the try block to the finally block. So now you can see that a error has occurred. The scanner is in red color. So what are we going to do? We are going to place this particular scanner class above the try catch block. I mean above the try block. Okay. After that our error will be vanished. So what are we going to do? We are going to select this, copy, go over here, and over here we are going to paste it and give its value as null. Now you can see over here error has occurred again. We are going to remove the scanner class. So error is vanished now over here also and over here also. Now we are going to print our exceptions, okay, in the catch block. If any exceptions occur, we are going to print it. So for that we will write e dot print stack trace. Done. So now you can see that we have finished writing our code. I'll show you the code once more and after that we are going to run it. So at first we have created a URL object with the website's URL in the try block. Then we have opened a connection to the website in the try block. After that we have created a scanner class to read the website content in the try block, and we have read and print the website content line by line in the try block. After that we have printed our exceptions. If an exceptions occur, we are going to print it, and in the finally block we have closed the scanner class. This is how we end our code. Now we are going to run the program. So you can see the code has, the website content has been printed. It is wonderful. You can see everything, like the code that has been written for the website to create the website, it has been printed. So now we will check if our content is valid or like true or not. So what are we going to do now? We are going to copy this. Done. Now we are going to paste it in Notepad. Done. So now we are going to save this particular file in our desktop. So let us do it. So we have given it the .html extension so that it opens in a website format. Okay, because we are checking it, right? So this is necessary. Let us save it. Now we'll go to the desktop. So you can see this is our content that we saved, our content. We are going to right click on this and open it with Google Chrome. So this is the page that upon running the code was printed. Okay, so upon writing all of those code, we have got this particular page, and this is not the original page. This is the page that we had created, like we have saved it, okay, in our desktop. Okay, the original page I'm showing you, example.com. This is the original page, and this is the page that we have that we had saved. Okay, there is literally no difference between those. So our code has successfully passed the test. It has exactly printed whatever content was there in the website. So now let me tell you how it did it. Okay, so if you right click on the original website and click on view page source, this thing will appear, and this content was being downloaded by our code and printed. Okay, this exact thing. All right, if you go to the website that we had we had created, so and you right click on it, view page source, the exact same thing will appear. So this is how we end our video. Please leave one like if you have liked our content, and if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, please do it. This is Shinjini signing off. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep shining. Bye.